Hello everyone, I'm Lindsay, member of the ProCenteC team. As you may know, ProCenteC is a complete provider of diagnostics and monitoring solutions for industrial networks. Not only are we a PI certified competence center and test lab, we also have over 20 years of experience in the field, helping you keep your industrial networks healthy and reliable 24/7. Did you know that 90% of all PROFIBUS network problems are caused by cabling and electrical issues? And that without a proper segmentation in your network, it can be at risk of having a single point of failure? This means that one small fault or performing one minor modification on your network will result in unplanned downtime. A proper segmentation design in your PROFIBUS network plays a critical role for a more reliable and more robust network, as it can eliminate the risk of a single point of failure, help isolate sensitive areas, eliminate the need of risky spur lines with traditional connectors, protect the whole network from common mistakes made by installers, and allow for live maintenance without shutting down the entire network. A great solution for creating a proper segmentation on your PROFIBUS networks are ProCenTec's multi-channel ProfiHubs. With over 50,000 units sold, our reputable ProfiHubs are used in many industries worldwide. In today's video, I will show you the main features in our multi-channel ProfiHub family. I'll show you our latest fiber optic hubs with ring redundancy. And lastly, I'll show you the new diagnostic features on the hubs, allowing you to get diagnostics down to your last device. So, let's get into it. The main advantage from our multi-channel hubs are that they create the opportunity for segmentation through the multiple channels. Each channel repeats and creates a proper signal. And all of these channels have their own galvanically isolated repeater, termination, DB9 and screw connection. These connections share a ground plate, which provides strain relief. These independent channels allow you to create different segments. You can simply separate devices or areas and isolate any deviation caused by external factors like EMC or short circuits. Multiple channels also allow to create 3 or star topologies for your network. And now with the new fiber optic hubs, you can create a ring topology. Additional to the multi-channel feature, there are other great features such as redundant power for the hub itself, in case one of the power supplies is lost. Alarm relay, which is configurable on your PLC. A rotary switch to set different modes on the hub. You have the option to set or combine modes like auto detect, robust repeating, cable redundancy, and our latest diagnostic slave functionality. I will show you some of these modes further on, but for now, let me show you how the new fiber optic hubs help create a ring topology. In the following diagram, you will see how to set up a robust and reliable network using our multi-channel ProfiHubs. Consider the hubs as the foundation of the network and that each hub represents the start of multiple segments. Let's first look at our fiber optic hubs. With our new fiber optic hubs, it's possible to create a fiber optic ring topology. The benefit of the ring topology is, if one of the fiber optic cables break, the messages will automatically be transmitted in the opposite direction and still reach the intended devices with no downtime. Additionally, at the bottom of this diagram, you can see our copper multi-channel hubs and how you can connect them to create cable redundancy, meaning 2 physical cables connected between the hubs. If one breaks, the other will pick up the communication with no downtime. The cable redundancy mode is activated via the rotary switch, letting the last 2 channels know that if one fails, it must transmit the data through the other. Another mode that can be activated via the rotary switch is the diagnostic functionality. The diagnostic functionality mode enables the hub to transfer bus statistics and device event information to the PLC or TCS system, allowing you to see the data, or if you combine the diagnostic functionality of the hubs with our ComBricks, which is our permanent monitoring solution for PROFIBUS networks, you will have the ideal care package for your network, getting message level diagnostics down to your last device. With the ComBricks, you can now see the diagnostic information from the ProfiHubs through your computer network without having the need to enter the PLC. You can even configure the diagnostic information to go to your SCADA system, making it accessible for all. Let's take a look at the information that our hubs provide on the ComBricks server. So here we have our ComBricks server, which is accessible through a web browser. I access the channel list in which you can see each of the ComBricks modules that are connected to the network, and below each module you see the addresses of the devices that are connected to these specific modules. As mentioned, ComBricks is our 24/7 permanent monitoring solution for PROFIBUS networks. It is a powerful modular system with so many capabilities, but for the purpose of today, I will jump directly into the diagnostic slave info section. Let's click the diagnostic slave info section and you will immediately see the general overview of a selected hub. This is how the diagnostic slave hubs appear. Right under the drop-down box, there's a chart containing the most important information related to the ProfiHub, such as the last update, model, serial number, firmware version, diagnostic slave address, and redundancy status for both power and PROFIBUS cabling. There's also an indicator of the alarm status, which explains the cause of the alarm. By clicking on the drop-down menu, it is possible to see a list of the hubs connected to the ComBricks. The Fiber Optic Hubs have a more extended chart, in which you can see the ring status and the status of the fiber optic signal. A very useful and unique feature, which again does not require any special programming through the PLC. Through the button Show Overview at the top of the chart, it is possible to toggle between the detailed view we just went through or an overview of all the hubs. Below the chart there's a visual representation of the selected ProfiHub, through which it is possible to see the termination status of every channel, check the presence of any illegals per channel, and, similar to the ComBricks channel list, it shows you the addresses of the devices that are connected to this specific channel. If there is any other ProfiHub connected on this channel, it is possible to click on it and access its own overview. That's it for now. From an oil field in Texas to an airport in Europe, our hubs are there. And now, smarter. So, in summary, we've seen that segmentation on a PROFIBUS network is recommended in order to minimize a single point of failure. We've seen reliability through ring redundancy and cable redundancy on our newest fiber optic and multi-channel ProfiHubs. We've also seen the diagnostic features in combination with the ComBricks, allowing to pinpoint exact errors down to your last device. Lastly, some great news to our current hub users. You are now able to upgrade your hubs with the new diagnostic features. Check out our Hubdater 2 on our website for more information. For more detailed information and to learn more about our permanent solutions, you're welcome to visit our website. Also, feel free to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Lindsay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.